Who are the Shawnee Indians? By Cassie Ramey. Where did we live? Ohio, Kentucky, Indiana, but we would travel all over. We went as far north as New York and as far south as Georgia. In this map you can see the main areas of Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana that we stayed in. What did we look like? We usually had long hair, except when men were warriors. They would sometimes shave it off into a mohawk. We usually had beaded headbands in our hair, with a feather or two in them. Shawnee sometimes painted designs on their faces or had tribal tattoos. In this picture you can see a mohawk and a Shawnee Indian. What language did we speak? Shawnee language was song-like. There were many verbs and parts. Bayzone is a friendly greeting, and Nayaw is thank you. Clothing. We wore skirts and leggings if we were a woman. If we were men, we wore breechclouts and leggings. Shirts were not necessary, but when it was cold they would wear them sometimes. In this picture you can see a breechclout and moccasins, which were the shoes they wore. The tools we used were bow and arrows, stone tomahawks, and spears. We could use these for hunting as well as protection. We ate whatever we farmed, because we were farmers, and the women planted and harvested corn and squash. The men hunted in the forest for deer, turkeys, and went fishing. We usually ate soup, cornbread, and stews. Our houses were small, round wigwams. A wigwam is a round building with a round top. It was made from tree logs covered with bark. Each Shawnee village also had a larger council house built from wood. In this picture we can see what a wigwam looked like. Inside you can see there was a fire to keep warm. We got around in canoes by hollowing out large trees. In the winter, we used pack animals like dogs to get around. All information and photos are from Indians.org and BigOren.org.